In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text in Google Translate. We will walk through each step slowly so you can follow along even if this is your very first time using it. On a computer, open Google Translate. You can do this in any web browser you normally use. When the page loads, you will see two large text boxes side by side in the center of the screen. Above each box sits a row of language names such as English, Spanish, or French. If you see those two boxes and the language bar, you are in the right place. Once the page is open, select the source language or click Detect Language. The source language is the language of the text you already have. Look at the small row of language buttons above the left text box. You can click a language name there, for example English, to tell Google Translate what language your original text uses. If you are not sure what language the text is in, click Detect Language in that same row. When Detect Language is active, Google Translate will try to recognize the language for you as you type or paste. Next, select the target language. The target language is the language you want your translation in. Look at the row of languages above the right text box this time. Click the language you want to read the translation in, such as Spanish or German. If you do not see your language right away, there will be a small arrow that opens a longer list. Once you click a language, you should see its name highlighted above the right box, which confirms it is selected. Now click the left text box. This is the box under the source language you chose or under Detect Language. When you click inside, you should see a blinking cursor appear. That blinking cursor tells you the box is active and ready for typing. If the cursor shows in the right box instead, just click back into the left box before you continue. With the box active, type or paste your text. You can type directly using your keyboard or use your usual shortcut to paste text you copied from somewhere else. As you type, you will see your words filling the left box line by line. Google Translate can handle more than one sentence at once, so you can paste a short paragraph if you like. A helpful tip here, if you notice a typo in the left box, fixing it will update the translation automatically. You do not need to start over. After that, view the translation in the right text box automatically. As soon as your text appears on the left, the translated version will show up on the right within a moment. You will see the lines match up in order, original on the left, translation on the right. If you change the source or target language now, you will see the translation in the right box refresh to match your new choice. So you have just learned how to type or paste text into Google Translate on a computer and instantly see it translated into another language. If this helped you get a clear translation, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.